Hello traders, the title of the video is New Zealand wave technical trader explain New Zealand Canadian dollar wave structures on monthly charts. I have been asked by a trader, Elliott trader called Cordero. What a beautiful name, Cordero. Am I pronouncing it correctly? Cordero? All right. Did ask me, okay, to analyze the New Zealand dollar, the New Zealand Canadian dollar, okay, currency, all right. Talking about Elliott wave trading. All right? Looking at the chart, the first thing that I will say to you is that it's a messy chart. All right. So sometimes you come across a chart like this. So with the information that I have, okay, I check everything. This is ICE data with a trading view. I've also compared it to the FSCM data. So ICE data, we have a data up to 2002. Is that all? I would expect more data for this currency pair, but that's all we have with the trading view. All right. I forgot to go to the okay, other trading platform or RTC 2000 to compare it also, but that's what we're going to work with today. All right. So all I will say to you is a messy chart, and when we have a messy chart, talking about Elliott wave trading, what do we work with? We work with the market patterns. All right, market patterns. That's the first thing you must work. So you will notice quickly that probably Elliott wave count will become a little bit speculative. So when you are dealing with a messy chart, the wave count become a little bit speculative. So talking about speculative wave analysis, all right, a lot of some Elliott wave traders may say, Joe, can't you see? Here it looks like an impulse wave. Then I would say, really? I'm not going to say it's wrong, but all I will say to them, really? Are you sure? Or I put a big question mark on it. They say, George, this is irregular fast wave because it start going up again here, and then it come down, and it start going down, it extended. This is an extended fast wave, an irregular fast wave at www.24elliottwave.com. You talk about irregular fast wave. This looks to me like irregular fast wave. And I'll say to them, all right, maybe, or what's this, or are you sure? So you remember when the chart is really, really messy, talking about Elliott wave analysis, all right, it becomes speculative. So those traders that are calling this fast wave, which I'm not part of, we also say, George, well, whether you agree or not, George, we don't really care. We are now in a second wave. And I say, well, for me, when I see a chart that is messy like this, in a viewpoint of Elliott wave traders, I'll say that I better work with the market pattern, and this is what I will do today. All right? So because I don't adhere to that speculative wave analysis, I'll go to the market patterns. All right. So first thing that one needs to do in order to get paid, you see, Joe, you're talking about money too much. Well, money is involved everywhere. See, George, well, it's all about money now. Yes, it is. Oh, Joe, you're becoming greedy. Yes. No. All right. So price. Don't laugh, please. Don't laugh, okay? Or don't laugh yet. So price, pay attention. Price went down from here, okay? February 2004. This is the top here. So after going up from here, we reach this top. And from there, you see, just going down, blah, 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 blah. And this is the lowest point here. So highlight that level, okay? That level is at 0.93858. And then highlight also this low here at 0.61520. Draw them. And then apply Fibonacci retracement from that point to this one here. Fibonacci retracement and highlight the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from here all the way down here is exactly like Lavoisier 0.77739. I'll give you all the numbers so you get it right, okay? So once you draw those lines, you can say that originally the price was intending to consolidate between this line and this one here. And as they showed it there, it goes down all the way here. Okay, so start going down first from here, see, right? Come below it, okay, we stop here, went up above it. When it reaches here, you see here, as it goes up to that 50% level, there were sellers there. Because the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is a psychological price level that divides the price move into two zones, the bullish zone above the 50% level and the bearish zone below it. So yes, it found a resistance here. How do we know it found a resistance? So they ask that question quite often. It's very simple. If it found a resistance, if you want to know it's a resistance, the common straight line will be broken. That's how we know that it was a resistance. So that's bearish candlestick bar breaks below it, and that one retested, and they implemented top-down trend. They showed it down. One more time, between this green line and that purple line, there is again a median line somewhere, roughly, all right? At 0.69478, roughly, okay? So as they showed it there, they know the midpoint, that's where the price did stop, went back to the same purple line, they showed it back down to that median line in that zone again. So there was a kind of consolidation play. All right. So when we are talking about a messy chart, usually it's a consolidation chart all over the place, ups and down, oscillation, volatility, blah, 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 blah. Finally, the price climbs above that psychological price level, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And as always, that's what the price is doing all the time. It breaks above it and retests it here. People bought it here. It went up a bit, come back again to the same level. Bought it again, it found the support. How do they know? Because after the common sector is broken, it start going up, it means that it found the support. So in fact, the price from here, did you spot that? An inverted head and shoulder chart. So you must feel free to disagree, okay? It's not very clear, okay? So they call this one the head, the closing price here, the left hand side shoulder, and you may call this one here, okay, the right hand side shoulder, and the neckline somewhere up there, and they push it up to the top. So prior breaks above the median line, found the support, the plate, consolidation play, took it up there. Fine. Now there is another consolidation that is taking place. Do you spot that? So we told you, the bigger consolidation between the two green lines and the median line is the purple one here. But anytime we have two lines, there's a median line. So what is the median line between this purple line and the top one here? Is the black one there. The black belt, Shotokan. Don't mess up with me. All right. Now, it's to make you laugh at me. So that median line of that upper half of the bigger consolidation is somewhere in the zone of 0.85647. Exact number. I'm just reading it to you. Don't blame me for it. Right, so that's it. That's it is then. So price went out from here. Ultimate target. Hit it there. It's coming down to they say, oh, because this is a wide upper half, they divide it into two. Midpoint target. They took profit again there. It bounced up to the top. Midpoint target. They push it back. It's again consolidation play. So today, as I'm recording this video today, on the 20th of January 2018, all right, talking about Elliott wave trading, New Zealand, Canadian dollar. Though we disagree with the speculative wave count, all right. So, as an Elliott wave trader, my recommendation, you can quote me on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, and say, George said that. And I'm fine with that, okay? When it's messy like this, it's not very clear. if you've done the preliminary workout, you try to go into the mind of other traders. You use your imagination. You try everything to see is there something we can work with using the Elliott principle. If it's not very clear, if you are not satisfied, go back to the market patterns. So today, all I would say to Cordero, concentrate on this consolidation here between the level of 0.93858 and this level here is exactly what I said before, 0.85748. The price is now consolidating between those two key levels. Priority to bullish signal in this zone here, you see. All right. If he breaks above, which he did now, is retesting it here on the monthly chart, but that monthly candlestick bar here must close first. You see here? But if you want to play it, that retest that is happening now, if you want to play it before the end of that candlestick bar, before it is closed on the 31st of January, you need to go to another lower time frame. For instance, weekly chart will be the first one to investigate. So that weekly candlestick bar is a little bit below it. So we are in that zone. All right? Or if you want to investigate more, you go to the daily chart. I see. So there is a support in that zone. So all I will say to you is that, okay, am I talking about the same level? All I'm saying to you is that priority to bullish signal, all right? So in fact, you see here, the median line is offered that smaller consolidation here between the green and the black one here. Priority to bullish signal above it and priority to bearish signal below that level. All right. So a bullish trading setup. So for instance, somebody that goes to the weekly chart may say, George, that weekly candlestick bar is now closed, but it going to be below it. We need to watch it, but we are in a support zone. This is my bullish trading setup. Maybe it can continue to go back down. Remember that they are selling it down. It's going down now. The common sector line is not broken. That's how we know it found a support. Remember that. It's not broken yet. All right. If you say, George, I'll consider this as a bullish trading setup. All right. That's your decision. You go to the 2-hour time frame, connect in the way. So what do you see on the 2-hour time frame? PMCLL, show me how to move the chart up. All right, I've done it now, you see. I'm learning from traders that are using TradingView. So here we are. Okay, so the 2-hour time frame, you see there's a support here. There's this support here. On the 2-hour time frame, this support. So that support is a little bit below that. So looking at the 2-hour time frame, myself, if I want to consider buying, though we are saying prior to bullish signal above the red line, a nice double bottom chart pattern somewhere in this zone, okay, will be okay something that we can look forward to if it is going to happen, if it's not going down more. All in all, so nothing is happening here to entice her to buy now, isn't it? All right. All right. All right. So all in all, priority to. Have I messed it up now? What have I done? What have I done? Okay. Go to. Why is he messing like this? PMCLL. What have I done wrong? All right. Bring it back. Are you clapping? Yes, you can clap. All right, I've got it. Well, all I'm saying to you is the priority bullish signal above that red line. That's all we can say. It's a consolidation place. People are selling at the top here, and there are people buying here. But remember, this consolidation, this zone between this green line and the purple, it may continue to go all the way here. But right now, the market pattern that we can work with is between this green line and this one here. It breaks above the median line, it's retesting it here, will it find a support and go back up more, or form what we call an inverted head and shoulder pattern, calling this one the left hand side shoulder, the right hand side shoulder. Is it going to retest this level to form another equal low before turning around? You can be a little bit patient and monitor it carefully. Going a little bit deeper, we can go watch this 15-minute time frame. Why is it messy like this? Oh, I'm getting tired. All right. So you get a message, all right? Investigate more and play it as a consolidation. And that's all I would say to you, all right, at this junction, all right? Okay? That monthly tendency bar is not yet closed. If you want to play, you have to switch to the weekly chart or daily chart or zoom into the current, okay, market pattern, as I already, okay, mentioned it, okay. All right, any more questions? If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to put in the comment section, and of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. So to summarize this video, all right, if one is attempting to talk about Elliott wave looking at this chart, that will be a speculative, okay, Elliott wave analysis. As we have said before, some traders may say it's a first wave. Maybe I'm not buying that at this junction. And now they may say, oh, this is a second wave. We will see. While the Elliott wave come is one step at a time, because the chart is a bit messy, talking about Elliott wave analysis, it is prudent, all right, to play with the consolidation between this green line and this one here, using a different time frame trading method to take it like a pro. For traders that are very new to the topic of top-down trading method, you too search the phrase Mastering Top-Down Trading Method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. The top-down trading method consists, generally speaking, consists of using at least 2 time frames. All right. So this will conclude. Did you see any Elliott wave pattern? Did you see any trend? This square mesh, if you call this impulse, we're at this junction. But anything is possible. We leave it like this. It's a consolidation. Really breaks above it. If he breaks above it, all right, suppose blah, 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 he breaks above it, go into market geometry mode. So you measure the width of this consolidation. You project it up like this. And you draw a line there. And as always, between 2 lines, there's what? A median line somewhere there. You see, this top, you see, that's the median line of that new projected channel of this one here. Okay. If the video has been truly useful to you or has opened your eyes as an Elliott wave trader, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you say that, George, well, a poor performance in the proper sense of the word, poor performance. Please mark it down. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other Elliott wave traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, okay? Our YouTube channel is 24 Elliott Waves, in plural, 24 Elliott Waves. Subscribe today. Click on the notification bell, all right? So anytime we post a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Sometimes I post video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about New Zealand wave technical trader explains New Zealand Canadian wave structure on monthly chart. Are you from New Zealand? Let us know in the comment section which part of New Zealand are you from, or are you from Christchurch? All right. And have you been trading the New Zealand Canadian dollar? Do you see something next that I did not see? Do you have any relevant specific question? Please put in the comment section. We want to hear from you so we may keep the discussion going. Normally, when it comes to forex trading, I have a specific channel for forex trading. That channel is called 24 Forex Trader. You can to search 24 Forex Trader where I'm talking about forex trading. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.